The question is asking about the purpose of the third paragraph. Now, this is a structure-based question, so we need to look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph raises the question of how agriculture started in a particular period. The second paragraph offers technological advances as one explanation, and the third paragraph talks about a new study that says that stability of climate is a possible explanation. So in the context of the entire paragraph, the third paragraph is suggesting a new explanation for this phenomenon. So we need to answer this question in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, to demonstrate that the development took place in Greenland. Now the third paragraph does refer to Greenland, but it merely says that data from Greenland was used in this study. It doesn't say that agriculture was developed in Greenland. So this answer choice cannot be established. Answer choice B, to allude to the challenge in obtaining a global view. Now the second paragraph does mention that obtaining a global view may remain elusive. That means it is hinting at a challenge in obtaining a global view. But this discussion is limited to the last sentence, and it cannot be said that this is the purpose that the third paragraph is playing in the entire passage. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, to provide an alternate point of view on why agriculture developed in a specific time frame. Yes, this is what the mind map implies, because the mind map says that the primary discussion is about how agriculture started in a particular time frame, and the third paragraph talks about a new study that attributes this development to the stability of climate. So in the context of the entire passage, the third paragraph is offering an alternate viewpoint. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice D, to illustrate the manner in which anthropologists build on the work of archaeologists. Now, the passage does mention the work of archaeology in the second paragraph and suggests that the new study in the third paragraph was developed by anthropologists. However, the passage makes no connection between the two. Also, to suggest that one set of scientists built on the work of other set of scientists, that is not the purpose of the third paragraph. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, to provide an instance of a viewpoint that the author considers as likely true. The passage makes no reference to what the author believes, so this answer choice cannot be the correct answer. So overall, we see that answer choice C is the correct answer.